All right, guys, go ahead and give y'all a little preview. Walking back from the shipper. Oh, I'm sorry, receiver. This is my truck, guys. Sorry for the bouncing. See if I can get on some a little bit more stable ground. It's a hell of a walk to the receiving office. But this is my truck. 2016 Freightliner Cascadia Evolution. I was hoping to get a newer one, but she'll do. She'll do just fine. Anyway, the trailer. It's my truck number, 17124. Keep your truck locked. Keep your trust in the body. People always trying to steal everything. Inside the truck, door. Ugh. She's a little messy right now, guys. I've been rolling. Put all this up. Anyway, the steering wheel, seat, the GPS back there, the gauges, and as most of y'all know, some of y'all don't, the truck is an automatic, just like a regular car. See, drive, reverse, neutral, no stick shift on the floor. I'm gonna give y'all a little tour. So let's just turn on some lights. So up here we got some storage for your sunglasses. Right here's a little cabinet. Got some stuff in there. And then you got the same thing on the other side. It's my Qualcomm. Then up here, you really can't see too well. Got some more storage right up here. Storage, a curtain to block out and so that nobody can see inside while you're sleeping. They also have curtains along the side, each side, that runs all the way in front of the windshield, so you get double security. You push this back, guys, and this is my bedroom. My bed's a little mess because I just woke up. And then we got some see if I turn on some more light. There we go. We got a little window, the bed, some lights, exterior fan, so if it's cold outside and you don't want to run your truck, you can open the window and turn on the little fan. Here's all the stuff, control the AC in the back, all the lights, charging a clock that has an alarm clock, my AC vent, and this is the Detroit Diesel Opti Idle, and it's pretty much just a thermostat for your truck. So what you do is you turn it on, which is on, and then you switch the temperature to what you want it to be, and it'll run the truck at that one temperature, just like a thermostat. Up here, guys, we got it's my clothes. It's all messed up because I rocked the truck earlier on a hole. But yep, that's it. Close that. My shoes. And stuff. Show you on my desk. You open this up right here, you pull this out, bam. It's my little office. Got all my stuff. Slide that back in. Down here, I don't even know what the hell I got in there. That's another little compartment. And on this side, we got wherever the hell the handle's at. Got some drinks down there. This is where the refrigerator goes that I don't have yet, which I need to get. Some more stuff, a bunch of paperwork and all. That's my bath stuff. So yeah. Oh, and then here's the spare bunk. So if y'all were wondering, there are 2 beds in this truck. The one on the bottom, and then you turn that lever, and then bam, you got a bunk bed. You just step up here, and then step up there, and you get up into the bunk bed, which I'm not doing. So, and then you just literally push it back against the wall, like that. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my bathroom. There it is, my bathroom. Well, I enjoyed the tour. Thank y'all. Later.